In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF using Canva in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to make quick adjustments to a PDF, whether it's adding some new text, deleting sections, or simply modifying existing content, Canva provides a straightforward and user-friendly solution. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to navigate to Canva's PDF editor, which you can find by going to canva.com/PDF editor. This is your starting point for uploading and editing your PDF document. Once you're there, you'll see the option to upload your PDF displayed prominently in the center of the screen. Click on Upload your PDF. This will open up a dialog box, allowing you to select the PDF file you want to edit from your computer. It's as simple as finding the file and selecting it, and Canva will take care of the rest. Now, after the PDF is uploaded, it will open in Canva's editing interface. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice Canva's familiar and intuitive editing tools are readily available. At this point, you can begin making all the edits you need. Whether you want to add some text, delete entire sections, or change the format of existing text, you can do it all here. Canva's design tools are not only powerful but also very accessible, even for beginners. Take advantage of the various fonts and sizes to match the style of your document. Don't hesitate to explore these features and tweak your file until it meets your needs. Once you've made all your desired changes, it's time to save and download your edited PDF. Head over to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the download button. Click on it. You will be prompted to choose a file type. For PDFs, you have two options: PDF Standard and PDF Print. PDF Standard is ideal for online viewing and sharing, whereas PDF Print offers a higher quality suitable for printing purposes. Choose the one that best suits your needs. After selecting your preferred download option, simply click Download once more. Canva will process your request and your edited PDF will be saved to your computer. And that's it, you now know how to edit a PDF using Canva quickly and efficiently. This method is perfect for making fast adjustments without requiring specialized software. Keep practicing and you'll become even more proficient over time. Thanks for watching and happy editing.